Hello my dear students, welcome to your social science class. So let's start our class with chapter 4 agriculture from geography. With the help of this chapter you will be able to know the meaning of agriculture, different types of farming, different seasons or the cropping pattern in India, and the last half of the chapter is related with the institutional and technological reforms done by Indian government in the agriculture. And at last we will read about the problems faced by Indian farmers. So let's start our chapter. Let's start with the meaning of agriculture. What is the meaning of agriculture? Agriculture is a science of cultivation or growing of crops, or in a very simple language, growing crops is known as agriculture. The next main important point is types of farming. How many types of farming are there? So first of all, first type of farming is known as primitive subsistence farming. Before explaining about the primitive subsistence farming, it is very necessary for us to know the meaning of primitive and subsistence. Primitive means purana ya prachin, or you can say traditional. Subsistence means livelihood, जीवन निर्वाह करना या जीवन यापन. It means this type of farming basically depends on ट्रेडिशनल मेथड्स ऑफ फार्मिंग. ये इस तरह की जो फार्मिंग है वो अपनी फैमिली की नीड्स को फुलफिल करने के लिए बेसिकली की जाती है, और इस टाइप की फार्मिंग में ट्रेडिशनल टूल्स एंड ट्रेडिशनल मैन्योर्स को यूज किया जाता है इंस्टेड ऑफ केमिकल्स एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स. One more important thing regarding this, there is no need of laborers from the outside. All the family members work as a labor in this type of farming. The best example of primitive subsistence farming is slash and burn. All of you know it very well about slash and burn. The another name of slash and burn is jhum cultivation. I think it is clear to all of you. Now the second type of farming is intensive subsistence farming. Now what is the meaning of intensive? Intensive means gehra, gehan, or you can say deep. It means this farming is practiced in areas of high population pressure on land. मतलब ये इंटेंसिव सब्सिस्टेंस फार्मिंग जो है वो कहाँ प्रैक्टिस की जाती है? जहां पर पॉपुलेशन ज्यादा है, वहां क्रॉप्स की डिमांड बहुत ज्यादा है, और कल्टीवेटेड लैंड के ऊपर पॉपुलेशन का प्रेशर बहुत ज्यादा. नाउ द थर्ड एंड लास्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टाइप ऑफ फार्मिंग इज कमर्शियल फार्मिंग. आपको नाम से ही समझ आ गया होगा, कमर्शियल मीन्स टू सेल इन द मार्केट. इट मीन्स दिस टाइप ऑफ फार्मिंग इज डन टू अर्न प्रॉफिट बेसिकली. Now, and in this type of farming, farmers use higher dose of modern inputs, or you can say the modern farming methods such as HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides. Why? To obtain higher productivity. Now, the best example of commercial farming is plantation. Now, what do you mean by plantation? Plantation is a type of farming in which we grow, or the farmers grow, only a single type of crop on a very vast land. और बहुत बड़े एरिया में जब एक ही तरह की क्रॉप कल्टीवेट की जाती है, वो उस फार्मिंग को प्लांटेशन कहा जाता है. एग्जाम्पल टी, कॉफी, रबर, all these are the examples of plantation crops. Now the next important topic related with our chapter is cropping pattern. What does it mean? कि इन क्रॉपिंग के या क्रॉप कल्टीवेशन के पैटर्न कौन कौन से होते हैं. These patterns are depend on physical diversity and cultural plurality. So basically in India there are 3 cropping patterns or seasons. Which are these? The first one is Rabi season. Rabi crops are grown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. The some important Rabi crops are wheat, peas, barley and mustard. Basically these type of crops are grown in Punjab, Haryana, UP, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and some parts of Uttarakhand. Now, the next important pattern or the season of cropping is Kharif. Kharif crops are grown with the onset of monsoon and harvested in September to October. The main important crops or the example of Kharif crops are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, moong, urad, cotton and jute. Some important rice growing areas are Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Kerala and etc. Now, the third main important cropping pattern or season in India is known as Zaid season. What is this word? Zaid season. So, let's discuss about this. It is grown in between Rabi and Kharif seasons, basically from March to June. Some important crops produced during Zaid season are watermelon, muskmelon, vegetables and fodder crops. One more important point related with this season, sugar cane is also a Zaid crop, takes almost a year to grow. I think it's enough for the day. Second half of the chapter we will do in our second part of the video. So till then, read the chapter, do your work properly, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.